Dear students, in 2A, complex numbers is our first chapter. Complex numbers. The definition of complex number is an ordered pair. Ordered pair. కోఆర్డినేట్ జామెట్రీలో మనకి ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, ఎక్స్ కమ వై, అలాగా ఎక్స్ కోఎఫిషియంట్ వై కోఎఫిషియంట్ అట్లాగా ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్లా ఉంటుందన్నమాట ఆఫ్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్. బోత్ ఏ అండ్ బి బోత్ ఆర్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్. సో దిస్ ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్ క్యాన్ బి ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ యాజ్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఐబి. This is expanded as a plus ib. This is the form of complex numbers. Here a is real part and b is imaginary part. అది చెప్పడానికి ఇక్కడ i ఉంటుంది. i అంటే ఇమాజినరీ పార్ట్. ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయన్నమాట. అవి నిజంగా రియల్ నెంబర్స్ కాదు, ఇవి రియల్ నెంబర్స్, ఇది రియల్ పార్ట్. ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్స్ అంటే ఏంటంటే, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఎనీ నెంబర్, ఎనీ నెగిటివ్ నెంబర్ అండర్ రూట్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూడండి, ఇలా రూట్ -1, రూట్ -9, దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఇమాజినరీ నెంబర్స్. బికాస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ -9? ఇఫ్ ద స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ 9 క్యాన్ బి రిటన్ యాజ్ 3 into 3. సో 1 3 will come out. But what is the square root of -9? It can be written as 3 into 3, but we can take negative symbol for only one number. If you take here also, minus into minus will become plus, but here only -9 is there. So we can take only for one number negative. So -3 into 3, which number will come out? If both are -3 will come out. If both are plus 3 will come out. So there is no square root of this number. Such type of numbers are called imaginary numbers. So in a plus ib, a is real part and b is imaginary part. So a complex number contains two parts. First one is real part and second one, in the ordered pair, first one is real part and second one is imaginary part. Okay. So the set of complex numbers are denoted by the letter C. Complex number lo first C kada. So the letter with the letter C we denote complex numbers. We know that natural numbers are denoted by n, whole numbers are denoted by w. Like that, complex numbers are denoted by C. And what is C is equal to? This is a set builder form of complex numbers. This is set builder form of complex numbers. C is equal to AB is a ordered pair such that A is a real number. A belongs to R. This is belongs to అంటే రియల్ నెంబర్స్లో ఉంటుంది. ఏ బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఆర్ అండ్ బి ఆల్సో బిలాంగ్స్ టు ఆర్. బోత్ ఆర్ రియల్ నెంబర్స్. ఏబి ఈజ్ అన్ ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్ విచ్ క్యాన్ బి ఎక్స్పాండెడ్ యాజ్ ఏ ప్లస్ ఐబి. ఓకే. ఇఫ్ 3 4 ఈజ్ ద ఆర్డర్డ్ పేర్, then this can be written as 3 plus 4i. Okay. If 5 minus 6 is an ordered pair, this can be written as 5 minus 6i. This is, if we expand this ordered pair, this can be written as 3 plus 4i. This is real part, this is imaginary part. So like that, 5 is real part and -6 is imaginary part. Okay. Now equality of complex numbers. Equality of complex numbers. Two complex numbers taking first number z1 ab and ab is an ordered pair of z1 and z2 cd. We are taking two complex numbers are to be equal. If these two are equal, z1 is equal to z2, it means real part is equal to real part. So a is equal to c and imaginary part b is equal to imaginary part d. If real part is equal to real part and imaginary part is equal to imaginary part, then these two complex numbers are equal. Okay. Addition of complex numbers. Here we have to learn some operations of complex numbers. First we learn addition of complex numbers. Here also we are taking two complex numbers. First complex number z1 is equal to ab and z2 is equal to CD. Z2 is equal to CD. So now we have to find Z1 plus Z2. That is equal to Z1. Z1 plus Z2. Addition of two complex numbers. We have to add real parts first. Here real part is A and here real part is C. So what is the real parts? So addition of real parts A plus C, comma addition of imaginary parts B plus D. So this is so this is the addition of complex numbers. Z1 plus Z2. If you expand this, A plus C is real part plus C plus D is imaginary, plus not C plus D, B plus D. B plus D is imaginary part. Okay. So if Z1 is equal to A1 I B1 and Z2 is equal to A2 I B2. Here I am taking A B and C D. Here A1 B1, A2 B2. Like that we are taking. So if you want to add Z1 plus Z2, then add real parts A1 plus A2. This is real part plus I into what is the imaginary parts? What are the imaginary parts? B1 plus B2. So this is imaginary part. So real part, if you add both real parts, you will get real part. Both imaginary parts, you will get imaginary part. Okay. Z1 minus Z2. Subtraction of complex numbers. So here we are taking plus symbol because we are adding. Here we are taking negative because subtracting. So subtract real parts A1 minus A2 plus I into B1 minus B2 will gives the subtraction of complex numbers. Okay. For example, we take if Z1 is equal to 2 minus 1 and Z2 is equal to 6, 3, we have to find Z1 minus Z2, subtraction of complex numbers. So, what is Z1? 2 minus 1 and Z2 is 6, 3. So, Z1 can be expanded as 2 minus 1i. This is 1i. No need to write 1. 2 is real part and imaginary part is 1i. And here Z2 is 6 plus 3i. First one is real part, second one is imaginary part. So now we have to subtract Z1 minus Z2. So 2 minus 6. Subtract real parts plus I into imaginary parts. Here is minus 1 and here is Z. First part is minus 1 and in the formula here minus is there and second part is 3. So what is minus 1 minus 3? Minus 4. And 2 minus 6 is also minus 4. So minus 4 minus plus into minus will become minus 4i. So if you write as ordered pairs, this can be written as minus 4 is real part, comma imaginary part also minus 4. So the answer is minus 4 minus 4. Like this also we can solve. Z1 minus Z2 is equal to Z1 is 2 minus I and minus taken as it is. In brackets what is Z2? 6 plus 3i. Like this also we can solve. So 2 minus I minus into plus minus 6 minus into plus minus 3i. So that 2 minus 6 is minus 4 and minus I minus 3i is minus 4i. Then also you will get minus 4 as the answer. Okay. Like this also you can solve. By using formula also you can solve.